wel mijn best gedaan op dat rondje. Time to work on some things this weekend. Welcome to this video. I have a pretty busy, well, not that busy, but I want to work on some things this weekend, and I'm gonna take you guys with me what I do this weekend. It's not that busy, just not like school stuff, just one thing for school, and then the rest is just for myself. I have to edit a video that's coming online on Sunday, and I have to paint something for school, but that doesn't take that much time. And the rest, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I learned to crochet. I did that. I'm doing that with my sister. My sister is really good at crochet, and I thought I want to do it as well. So I bought a kit, and she helps me get the things done. So, and maybe tomorrow on the Sunday I'm gonna paint further with the Noah and the Ark painting, but I have to see if I can get that done. I have some other things, and maybe my package is arriving today or tomorrow with some samples from my web shop. A hoodie, 2 hoodies, and a beanie hat. So I'm excited to test these out, see if the quality is good and if it's worth putting it on the shop for you to buy. So, but first I'm gonna edit my video because that's the most important thing to do. So let's continue and see how this day is gonna go. But I have to wait till my videos are on my laptop, so I think in that time I'm gonna work on the school project to paint the sides. The thing I'm working on with school is with wood. I cut that out in the laser cutter with wood at school. I had to design it in Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, and then glued it all back on top of each other. Well, first I painted the layers and then I put it on top of each other. Already it's looking pretty good, but I only have to do the sides black and maybe the back black as well. But that's what I have to do for school today. I'm always trying to, with the art projects that I do at school, when we have the free time to make our own, I make it with a Christian message or background around it. So the latest Snyder, I made a lion, like the Lion of Judah, and I get that with a lot of things as well. So I'm always trying to put some Christian mix or faith mix in the projects I do at school. Sometimes I can, but sometimes I don't. So when I get the chance to make something on my own, I'm making that. I'm putting something in it with a Christian mix. But first let's paint the sides black and maybe the back black as well. just got my package arrived from some samples from my web shop. So I'm gonna show you. I put you on a standard if I can get it. But I'm gonna have to turn it around. And this is one of the hoodies. I really love it. It's really comfy with the footsteps, and on the back it says "Walk by Faith." I'm really happy with this hoodie. And I got another one in white with the fishes and loaves, and it says it began with 5 fishes and 5 loaves and 2 fishes with the back. So I'm really happy with this one as well. And I got a beanie that you can wear when it's cold. So these are definitely going on a web shop because these are really comfy and really warm when the cold weather is coming. So I'm excited. It's now after dinner, and now I'm gonna take a shower. I always do that right after dinner because in the evening I'm not going anywhere. Well, sometimes when I'm going anywhere I'm not gonna shower, but now I don't have to go anywhere, so I'm just gonna chill downstairs after I'm done with the shower. So now I'm gonna shower and then chill downstairs and work further on my crochet that I'm working on. I'm still learning, but it's going pretty good. lost a little bit track of time, but I worked really hard on my little crochet, little ginger man. So I worked a lot on that, and now I'm pretty tired. Tomorrow is gonna be school, so I didn't get the chance to paint. I wanted to, but I lost track of time with crochet today, and I worked really hard. And I want to rest a little bit for school tomorrow. I have to start late, so that's okay. Now I'm just chilling with my little friend here. And then I'm gonna sleep. So now I'm gonna put on some chill clothes and just chill on the sofa with my family and watch a program on TV that we watch every Sunday. Yeah. And then go to sleep. So if you like this weekend vlog, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new video. And I'm just getting used to filming a lot more, so it's still a little new to me, but I'm trying and I'm learning every time. So make sure to subscribe so you can see my improvements, getting better and better in every video. And what do you think of this weekend? What should I add to the weekend to make it more chill, or maybe what I can add or help me with crochet, or how I can do it better, and tips or anything. So make sure you like and subscribe, and maybe I'll see you guys in the next video. No, bye bye. Say bye. Bye.